Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can enable live typing or to show typing in WhatsApp basically. So in order to enable live typing in WhatsApp, what you're supposed to do, just click this three-dotted icon in the upper right hand side of your WhatsApp, then head into your WhatsApp setting, then come to where we have privacy. So here we have privacy, you need to select where we have RASIN and online. So you're supposed to enable maybe your contact to be seeing your RASIN, but if you want to enable for everyone, you can enable it for everyone to see your RASIN. Then the person who is able to see you when you are online, just select everyone. And when you select that, you shall be able to see when a person is technically typing in WhatsApp and then wait the message. So you just need to log out and you can see RASIN and online is enabled for everyone. But to put a cross in this or a closure, what we can say a rule in this method, if a person has disabled online and RASIN in WhatsApp, you cannot be able to see that person typing. It must be two ways. That person must have enabled to be you to see his or her own RASIN, and also he must be able to show when he is online. See, when I'm online, that is when you can be able to see typing. So you can maintain it to be with your contact, then who can see when you are online, you select everyone, so that you do not disclose your privacy so much about your online and your typing. So you can maintain to show you are asking to only your contact, and then when you are online to show to everyone. And by doing that, you can solve the problem of not seeing typing in WhatsApp. But when you don't want to disclose that you are typing and you want to see the other person, you have hidden your last scene and you are online, you cannot be able to see typing in WhatsApp. So that is the secret. Now during to this era now, when we don't have the GB WhatsApp, which was having the most updated privacy program, now we need to know how to live with this messenger WhatsApp. So basically, thank you for watching and have a nice time. Thank you.